Hey, Blythe here, and welcome to the third installment of the digestive process so you can live with radical radiance every day. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can step into even more vibrant health and beauty. Things aren't feeling so good in your tummy, and you are seeking answers as to what might be going on. Many of my clients are in the same boat and, like you, are eager to find out what the heck is going on in there so they can feel better. On this third tutorial on the digestive process, we'll be venturing into the small intestine and its three unique parts. Now, if you've missed the first two videos, I'll go ahead and post those in the descriptions below so you can go ahead and click those links to watch them. So we've made it to the small intestine, which really isn't all that small. It's roughly anywhere between 20 and 26 feet from the beginning to the end. It is a tube made up of three unique parts. First, the duodenum or duodenum, depending on where you live, the jejunum, and the ileum. And each part has its contribution to the digestive process. The first section of the small intestine is the duodenum. This is where pancreatic enzyme lipase is introduced, as well as bile from the gallbladder. Lipase and bile are the catalysts for the chemical breakdown and digestion of fats. Bile, which is made in the gallbladder, transforms dietary fat into water-soluble material so it can be transported throughout the bloodstream. If this section of the small intestine isn't functioning well, then fat digestion is impaired, and this is where most fat digestion happens, right here in the duodenum. Oftentimes my clients are deficient in this, particularly those with no gallbladder. That is going to be huge for any of those on a high-fat diet like keto. Next up on our small intestine journey is the jejunum. Jjunum. It's just kind of the fun word to say, I think. Go ahead and say it out loud. Jejunum. All right, the lining of this area is super unique because it allows the absorption of carbs and proteins. Absorption just being the uptake and utilization of nutrients. Again, I'm just going to kind of repeat. This is where absorption starts to happen, right here in the jejunum. And these nutrients hopefully have been broken down into small enough particles that can get into the bloodstream to provide that cellular nutrition. The last section of the small intestine is the ileum. This is where vitamin B, bile salts, and whatever else the other sections didn't take get absorbed. Now, the lining of the ileum is rather interesting. It actually has finger-like projections, think of shag carpet, called villi, and their purpose is to absorb key nutrients. The ileum is also largely responsible for your immune system because that is where the gut-associated lymphoid tissue lives. The hearty nutrition is in the small intestine because this is where microscopic nutrients from the food you ingest are absorbed into the bloodstream. Then it nourishes your cells. This organ is the best one to understand for really and deeply profound nutritional healing. Before the last bites of nutrients and waste products move into the large intestine, it passes through the ileocecal valve. Another trap door, imagine that. A trap door right into the colon. The large intestine is going to be the next subject. As you can see, there's a lot of moving parts going on with the digestive process, and having a better understanding of what's going on in there helps. But having someone there to guide you through the process is going to give you quicker results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know by liking it below, subscribe, and share it with your people. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.